Hello lovely people, wagwan. Hi, my name is Karen and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this natural beat. If you haven't seen my last video already, I reviewed this blush that I have on right now, which I'm absolutely loving. It's the Fenty Beauty Cream Blush, but in the last video I told you I was going to show you how I achieved the look before I put on the blush. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So I went ahead and primed my eyes. I'm going to be using this fluffy brush here, and I'm going to go in. I'm going to start off with this shade right here, right there in the crease. And we're going to go for a real quick, simple look on the eyes. I don't know if you saw my fox eye video with the Doja Cat eyebrows. I'm going to go for something like that because I loved how the fox eye looked. But I'm not going to cut my lashes. And then I'm just gonna sweep a little bit of this color right here. I'm gonna sweep that color across the lid, but I'm not gonna bring it too much into the corners of the lid. I'm just gonna sweep it across the lid and leave the inner corners for another shade. And I'm also gonna concentrate it and deepen up the crease a little bit more. I'm using the same brush, by the way. Next, I'm going to use a flat brush, and I'm going to go in this shade right here. These two shades, actually. And I'm going to sweep that across my lid in the inner corner. And I'm going to go back in with the brown and darken up the outer corner just a little bit more. And then I'm going to add some eyelashes, and then we're going to move on to the face. Alright, so I went ahead and did my eyes off camera. I just added a little liner, some lashes, very natural looking lashes. So now we're going to move on to the face. Wow, y'all, look at this application. Like, Fenty, look at this. Flawless. I love their foundation. Flawless. Fenty come through, okay? Look at this. Skin. Just pure skin. I love. And I only use that little bit, and look how flawless my face looks. So I'm very excited to use the concealer right now, because if the I mean, I already know the foundation is flawless, but I told y'all that I had ran out, so I hadn't been using it for a while. And I forgot how flawless it was, but Fenty just reminded me, girl, you can't forget that. So now we're gonna go in with the Fenty Concealer. Right now my neighbor is jamming. Alright. Alright, everyone was right about this concealer. It blends out really nicely. We're going to contour with the Fenty Beauty Bronzer, my favorite bronzer ever, in the shade Caramel Cutie. And we're going to use a nice fluffy brush to do that. Okay, neighbor. Right now my neighbor is jamming to some old school music, and I'm loving it. Okay. Alright, neighbor. Sweet thing, don't you know you're my everything? Oh, sweet thing, don't you know you're my everything? Alright, neighbor. You know. Alright, so I'm going to blend this out a little more, and I'm going to go ahead and do the blush. If you guys haven't seen the review on the Fenty Beauty new cream blush, go ahead and watch that. I like to try new products, but every time I come back to Fenty, I'm just like, yes, yes, this is home, okay? Love Fenty. Alright, so time for the lips. I lined my lips already. I'm gonna be just using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. Just a little glossy lip. I'm not putting on anything else, just a little glossy lip. And now we're gonna go into the highlighter. So I'm gonna be using the Kilowatt Hustler Baby highlighter. I've never tried Fenty Beauty's highlighter before. Yes. Yes, we are glowing, hunty. We're glowing, we're glowing, we're glowing. Alright, and then I'm gonna highlight the rest of my face. Okay. I'm sorry if I'm blinding you guys, but this, I just put a little bit on there and oh my god, I'm blinded, y'all. I'm blinded, okay? I am blinded. I'm officially blinded. I have to come close. I don't know if you guys can see from here, but from what I see, I'm shining from here as well. But I wanted to come up close just in case you guys couldn't see. Okay, I really love the highlighter. I kind of went a little overboard, but I wanted to glow. I wanted to like glow. Okay, it's summertime, we're gonna glow. I just wanted to glow a little bit. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the cream blush, baby. Alright, so this is the look that I came up with. I think it's natural looking. Everyone's natural looking is different. I think it's natural looking. And y'all, I didn't even use any powder. I didn't use any setting spray. And this is how it came out. I think it came out flawless. Like Fenty has done it again. And now that Fenty has all these products, I'll definitely be doing more full faces of Fenty. They also have the eyeliner, which I didn't get. They have the cream bronzer as well, which I didn't get, but I don't know if I'm gonna try it because so far they haven't disappointed, and I don't want to get it and feel disappointed because I love the caramel cutie bronzer, the powder bronzer. So maybe I'll get the cream bronzer. I'm not sure yet, but I didn't. Yeah, but this is the full face. This is how it's looking. I'm really loving it, like for real. If you haven't seen the video I done before this where I did a review on the cream blush, go ahead and check that video out. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like my video, you can binge watch me, check out my other videos, binge watch me, share me out. Have a blessed day, have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.